Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple Dollar Tree DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine.
For the first DIY, I'm going to be using two of these sun hats that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be cutting them up to the point that they look like two little bowls.
I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
Next up, I'm just going to cut up a circle on top of one of the sun hats.
We were such a constellation, right?
Once I was done doing that, I'm going to be using some hot glue to put them together. I'm going to be using the leftover so I can add some detail to the basket.
We should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's
I'm also de-stressing the top of the basket. Once I was done doing that, I'm going to spray paint it with a brown paint.
I just miss you.
Once the spray paint was done drying, I'm going to be adding a rope handle on both sides.
Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
For the last and final step, I'm going to be adding some greenery I got from Walmart for only 97 cents a stem.
Miss you. Oh, I miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
For the second DIY, I started off by making a mixture of different paints and adding some baking powder.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your color.
Now I'm going to be painting all these glass jars that I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as a candle holder.
And the way we lose it, there's something different about us. And the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us. Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had.
For this last DIY, I just cut up a circle and I'm going to be adding some rope.
Not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us. Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are.
I'm going to be cutting short this hula skirt.
There's something different about the way we are.
And now I just hot glued it onto the back.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, please comment down below what kind of home decor you guys would want me to do. That way I can get some ideas if you guys want any modern home decor, boho, farmhouse, anything, just please comment down below. With all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.
It's been a waste of time.